Looks like it kind of cleared up. Oh, someone was here. Oh, maybe they left it when they were working there. I got back from DMV to renew my ID card. Like I was telling the story that everybody's cutting down the trees and making apartments and houses. That's why you see a lot of birds on the telephone wires. They gotta have a place to perch. And Miss Joy said, yep. And I said, Bob Scopo says, if you cut all the trees, people are going to have oxygen masks. And we talked about when the rapture comes, people won't be able to breathe because all the trees and all that will be vegetation burned up, died out. And I said, it's neat how God, capital G-O-D, makes everything in unison. The trees give off oxygen for everybody to breathe, and we give off carbon dioxide for the trees to survive. So God makes everything in unison. As Copford says, look up unison. He understands it too because he's a born-again Christian too. He's Jewish, but he's born-again Christian. We have Germans, we have Japan, China, Filipinos, we have Jewish, we have Mexicans. They're all born-again Christians. That's what I'm trying to stress to people. Donny Osmond is a born-again Christian. His whole family are Christians. They read the King James Bible, and Donnie wanted to make sure he read it the right way when he was playing the role of Joseph of the many callers. He wanted to make sure he had it exactly like the King James Bible. And that says a lot right there, folks. Because Bob Scopo said there's a lot of Christians who are in other churches trying to win them in the inside out.